स्वामिने
Vedanta Swami
गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे हे विघ्नेश
Vani
देवतारे हे श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर भक्तादि गौर भक्ति हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Okay, everybody together sing Cheto Darpanam. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Mataji. Marjanam Bhavamaha Nani Nirvapanam Rayakaramachandrita Vitaranam Vidya Vadudharanam Anandam Vidivardhanam Pratipudam Punam Swadhyam Shri Krishna Sankirtanam Namikari Bahudani Sakati Tatramakari Tatramakari Namakari Bahudani
Very good. Very good, kids. Thank you so much for singing so nicely. Let's go to today's verse. That is the text 6. One second, it's not moving. Yeah. We are in the text 6. Okay. I'm so sorry. My computer has a trouble today. Okay, I just want to sing once and then I'll ask everybody to say the word to word meaning and also the translation. Okay. You can raise a hand after I sing once. Okay. Nayanam galadashrudharaya Vadanam gadgadarudaya Agira Pulakair nichitam vapukadam Tavanamagrahane bhavishyati. So, okay, now you can raise hands for word to word. Okay, Mukund, go ahead, Mukund. You can do two of it.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead, Mukund.
Yes, Mataji. Nayanam Galada Shrudhara.
Word to word, Mukund. Word to word.
Synonyms.
Oh yeah. Nayanam to the eyes. Galada Ashru Dharya by streams of tears running down.
Thank you, Mukund. Next, Akshita, go ahead. Next two.
Yes, Mataji. Okay. Vadanam mouth. Gadgada faltering.
Okay. Next, Samskriti, go ahead.
Rudaya choked up. Gira with words.
Very good. Next, who is there? Ramchandra, go ahead with another two words.
Pulake, with erection of hairs due to transcendental happiness. Nijitam, cover. Muted. Mataji, you're muted.
Okay. Ramchandra, go ahead and do other two also.
Okay. Vapu, the body, kada, when.
Okay, who wants to do next two?
Vinita
Okay,
Gandharva Mataji, I want to read. I am also student in your class.
Okay,
Congratulations, you became young.
But back to the past.
Okay. Next, who want to do Tava? Who wants to do that? Okay, go ahead, Mukund, go ahead and do that.
Tava, year, Namagrahane and chanting the name. Hare Krishna.
Okay. Okay, the one last one who
Can I
wants to.
do, Mataji?
Yes, Akshita, go ahead.
Kartik.
Akshita, go ahead and do that.
Yes, Mataji. Bhavishyati will be.
Thank you. Now the Karthik will be reading translation. Karthik, read the translation for me, please.
My dear Lord, when will my eyes be beautified by filling with tears that constantly glide down as I chant your holy name? When will my voice flutter and all the hairs on my body stand arrested in transcendental happiness as I chant your holy name?
Thank you. Now let's move to the first line of the verse. Okay. Nayanam Galada Shrudharaya. So we read the translation. Who want to read? Who want me to read? Who will read for me this first line of the translation? Other than who did not get a chance, they can take. Okay. Shreya, go ahead.
Yes, Mataji. My dear Lord, when will my eyes be beautified by filling with tears that constantly?
Yes. So we will see when will we get tears in our eyes. So now please be on mute. I'll be saying the story here. Okay. The next I can give you chance when reading the next line. I will be allowing you to read. Okay. So now we'll see how we can get the tears in our eyes. Actually, who will get the tears in their eyes? When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was going to Gaya, okay, he was going to Gaya to do the final rites of his father. His father was, went. Means he was disappeared. So then he want to do his final rites of his father. That's why he went to Gaya. When he went to Gaya, he met Ishwarapuri, okay, in the ashrama. And then he wants to take initiation from Ishwarapuri. So he was asking Ishwarapuri, please initiate me. If I don't have Guru, how can I go back? Who will take me to go back to Godhead? Without Guru, there is no possibility that I can go back to Godhead. Please initiate me. Then Ishwarapuri knows that Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is himself Krishna. How can I initiate you? You are Krishna himself. And no, I'm not going to do this. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again and again insist him, please initiate me, please initiate me. Then Ishwarapuri understood, if I don't initiate, something bad is going to happen. So then immediately Ishwarapuri initiated Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu got initiated, after that from there he went to Vishnupada temple. Vishnupada means Lord Vishnu's lotus feet. There is a temple, so where Lord Vishnu's lotus feet is worshipped. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to that temple. So then where he was doing Abhishek to Vishnupada. When he was doing Abhishek, what we do, we use Panchamrita, right? Already Radhika Mataji has taught us how to make Panchamrita in our Govinda class. We all made it. We made it with honey, ghee, milk, yogurt, right? So like Lord was using all of these ingredients to do Abhishek to the lotus feet of Vishnupada. Okay. So then what happened when he was doing, because he got initiated, he was so much involved now in Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, and so much of ecstasies he's getting. So he was crying when he was doing that Abhishek. He was not only doing Abhishek with all this Panchamrita, but also with the tears from his eyes. So that is what we can see, that when one chants Hare Krishna Maha Mantra very attentively, very sincerely, that they can feel this kind of ecstasy in them. So that we can see that Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was feeling that, and he was crying when he's doing Abhishek. So that is what Nayanam Galada Shrudharaya. So when will my eyes decorate with the tears of falling from my eyes? So that was, he was explaining. I want to explain that point from this particular story. Let's move to the next line. Who wants to read the next line for me? Who is the raise hands next? Okay, Mukunda and Ramchandra is there. Samskriti, do you want to go Samskriti?
Yes, Mataji. Mother Sachi sees Gauranitai as Krishna Balaram.
Yeah, can you read the line, the second line from the,
Red one.
no, this one, Vadanam.
Vadanam Gada Rudaya
Yeah, very good. So when will my voice choke up? When will my voice flutter? So that is a word, meaning of that particular word. So here we can see one story when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda's pastime, where Sachi Mata's voice was not coming. She was completely shocked. She could not speak whole day. What made Sachi Mata not to speak? We will see that. One day, Lord Chaitanya want to invite Nitai to his home for the lunch. So then when he went outside to find Nitai, he was always playing in Ganges in the water. He wants to swim across the Ganges. So Nityananda was swimming and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went and called, Nityananda, Nitai, come here. You know what? Mother Sachi want to cook some special things for you. Let's go and have some food. So then Nitai came and he wear his dress and then they were walking. When they are walking, they were talking to each other. What they were talking, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying to Nityananda, no funny business, okay? Then Nityananda was saying, me? Funny business? Oh, never. You are the one who does always funny, right? Who does funny? Is that Nitai does the funny things or Krishna does the funny things? Our Krishna, right? Little Krishna is more naughty. So then he was telling, everybody knows that who is going to do funny. So like this, both were talking, what does it mean is like, it's kind of a mystery why they are talking like that. It's all the Leela that they are showing to us. So then Mother Sachi has made elaborated offerings like all green leafy vegetables like Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu likes, and dal, sabjis, lot of varieties. And they first offered to Lord Krishna and Balaram, and then they started sitting. When Mother Sachi started getting the ecstatic feelings, by then when she was serving Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda, she forgotly and put extra plate. When two people are there, she was putting the third plate extra. She was not knowing what she is doing. Suddenly what happened, when she was serving Lord Nityananda and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, she saw them changing to Lord Krishna and Lord Balaram. Oh, then she was shocked. What's happening here? Then she fainted and fall down. Oh, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked, oh, what's wrong? Catch up. And then she woke, she got up, but she couldn't speak anything. Her voice stuck completely because she was shocked to see Lord Nityananda and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Krishna and Balaram. So this is what, when we have love for Krishna, when we are immersed in Krishna Prema, that kind of symptoms we can develop where our voice is not able to come out other than Krishna Maha Mantra, and we are just immersed into that. So that's what happened to Sachi Mata. We can understand this line from that story.
Does falter mean like not able to say anything?
One kind of not able to say, and other thing is also shaking like that, it's a shake in your voice. No proper voice is not coming to you. Some chat
broken voice
means
the
regular talk, right?
Mataji,
Suraj mom, I will tell you offline, Mataji. See, normal way I'm talking, Hare Krishna Mukund, right? Then now if I am look so much of ecstasy, then Hare Krishna Mukund. So my voice is shaking. There is no proper voice is coming out because I'm in so much of ecstasy and like shivering and everything. All this ecstatic feeling. And normally also you get scared, when some snake is there around you, then what do you say? Snake, like that. You cannot speak also properly, right? But this is a normal platform. But here, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not talking about that. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is talking about the ecstatic feelings that you get when you are completely immersed in Lord Chaitanya Lord Krishna's pastimes or Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Did you got it, Ramachandra?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, very good. Next line. Can anybody read for me this? Hare Krishna, who want to read? I think you all can unmute yourself, right? Tulsi did not get a chance. Tulsi is raising her hand. Tulsi, go ahead. Tulsi Manjari, please read the title of the story.
The meeting of Lord Chaitanya and Ramananda Rai.
Thank you. Who wants to read the next line? Other than Ramachandra, if anybody is there, or else Ramchandra can do it.
Oh.
Okay, Ramchandra, go ahead.
Pudokir Nishtam Vapukala Tava Nama Grahane Bhavishyati.
Okay, thank you, Ramchandra. Next, I see Akshita was raising before. Akshita, go ahead and read the line of the translation. What does it mean?
All the hairs on my body stand erect in transcendental happiness as I chant your holy name.
Very nice. So here it is talking about standing, the hair standing. So that is also one of the ecstatic feelings when somebody is in full of chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, they get that feeling. Okay. So here we can see when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu meeting the devotee called Ramananda Rai. So when he met him, then along with Ramananda Rai, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also met many of devotees, and everybody were looking at Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. By seeing itself, everybody started chanting Krishna, 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 Krishna. Everybody were so in ecstatic feeling. Their voice was not coming. Their voice was shaking. They were crying, and their hair was standing. And this is all the feelings that they were feeling just by looking at Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's beautiful lotus feet. And by this, Lord, when everybody is feeling like this, Ramananda Rai was telling to Lord that you are just not the ordinary person. You are something. So that is why everybody is able to feel this kind of ecstatic feeling. Then, Vrinda, please off that. So like this, we see that when the pure devotee association you get, automatically the other person is also getting that kind of feelings because of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's association. Everybody could feel that ecstatic feeling in them. So like that, Ramananda Rai was glorifying Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that you are not an ordinary person. You must be definitely the Supreme Personality of Godhead who came here to meet us. Like that, they were feeling that's the pastime for that particular line. Let's go on to the next line. Oh, actually, the sloka is done, right? Yeah, we finished the sloka. I mean that 6th Ashtaka, the number 6th text, we finished it. So now I just wanted to share the story where Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu melted the stone in Alarnath temple. Okay, this story tells us how Lord Chaitanya's mercy is so much and how much love he has, Lord Chaitanya has to Krishna and Balaram and Lord Jagannath, everything. We can see this story. Okay. 15 days before Rath Yatra festival, there is usually called as Snana Yatra for Lord Jagannath. Okay, after Snana Yatra, what happens is Lord Jagannath develops cold. So then what? They keep Lord Jagannath in the room. They closed it. There is no darshans anymore. Only the pandas goes and serve the prasadam to Jagannath. That's it. So then because of that, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was not able to take darshan every day of Lord Jagannath. So he was feeling so much separation. In separation, he was not able to control himself. He was running very fast from Lord Jagannath temple to the Alarnath temple, which is 11 kilometers away from the Jagannath temple. He was running very fast. Seeing him running, all the devotees also were running very fast, very fast. Then what happened? Nobody could catch Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but only Nityananda could catch him. But he was also not able to be in equal space of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but he was just behind Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Like this, everybody also somehow reached to Alanath temple. But then when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu reached Alanath temple, his body was full of ecstasy feeling. In ecstasy, he was not able to, his body was like, not in a proper way. It's like, shaking and everything. So then what happened when he went there, he just did his obeisances, dandavat, like a stick, he fall down. The temple is made of the stone. So then when he fall down, automatically the stone has melted because of the ecstasy that Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has, because the love that Krishna on Krishna, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is showing, the separation, because of that ecstasy feeling, the stone also got melted. So we can see that Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's love is making melt of even the stone. We has our stone kind of heart because we are full of in material world, right? We have all the bad qualities in us, and we are having past karmas from past life. We are carrying everything. So because of all of this, still when we just pray to Krishna and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, definitely our stone like heart also one day definitely melts when we chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Okay, I don't know if Sita Priti Mataji is there. If it is not, if we don't have any other activity, what's the time now? I want to say
7:41.
7:41.
7:41,
Or
Mataji.
6:41.
EST.
41. Okay,
7:41
okay.
EST.
7:41.
Story,
CST 6:41.
4:41.
Okay, I will tell everybody one story. Okay, that story, when I was referring so many lectures for this particular verse, I have seen one Maharaj was telling that these ecstasies are not able to. We are not able to pretend. We might cry when I'm chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, I'm crying. But this is not the real ecstasy that this particular text is speaking. This particular text is speaking something different. That person should not have any other desires except Lord Krishna serving. Is completely detached from this material world, who is equal in happiness and distress, and who is not having any other desires. Let's say our Guru Vargas, they can experience this kind of ecstasy, not we. It is very difficult for us to experience this one. So then Maharaj was telling that when there were Haridas Thakur was going on the roads, and when he saw there was one other person also there. He was a person who makes the snakes dance and like that. So this person who is making the snake dance, he was a devotee of Lord Krishna. So when he was doing that, he was singing the Kaliya pastime. Okay, by hearing this, Haridas Thakur was so in ecstasy that he was also like doing like a snake, and he was like so much in ecstasy, fall down, and like he was uncontrollable. And devotees around him, everybody gathered, and everybody were like appreciating Haridas Thakur for his ecstasy. But what happened, seeing this person, seeing Haridas Thakur, there was another person who is in the crowd want to act like this. And then that person act, and what happened, you see? Can you anybody guess what happened when that person act like this?
He had no ecstasy.
No ecstasy, and people doesn't believe that. Like everybody started hitting him because it was a fake. Nah? We should not do any fake things. Like we might feel that ecstasy, crying and everything, but that's not the real one. Yes, we have to cry for holy name. We have to cry, please Krishna, allow me to chant, allow me to chant. Yes, that should be always there, because if you cry from your heart, then Krishna will hear. Otherwise, we cannot get the mercy of Krishna. We should have that eagerness. I don't know. The story class, and we don't have any activity. Hare Krishna, yes?
I was gonna say I already know this story, but it's a nice story.
Oh, good that you
Mataji?
already know that. Yes, Ramchandra.
From the first line of this, the verse that we did today, like when you were saying, like, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu insisted, Ishwara Puri, I think.
Yes,
To
Ishwara.
be guru, there's like one reason because Ishwara Puri is from the Madhva Gaur Sampradaya.
Yes.
And when Madhvacharya came down, Madhvacharya had so much ecstasy. When he was gifted by a ship, like the king, the boatman, not a boatman. He was like the high position of a boat, the leader. They were coming from Dwarka and coming to where Madhvacharya was. There was a great storm, and Madhvacharya saved them. And Madhvacharya, in the big Gopi Chandans that they had, he found a deity, and when he was worshiping the deity, his tears were falling down. And with that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at some time, he came to Madhvacharya and said, "Since you had so much ecstasy, I will come in your sampradaya. So when I come down, because it takes some time, so after some time, I'll come in your particular sampradaya." And then that's why he asked Ishwara Puri.
Oh, thank you for that story. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh, what we will do is, why don't we read the translation for all the verses of six Ashtaka that until now we covered? Okay, we can do that. Wait, once again, I will open that in the KK songs. We finished very early today. I had put only short stories.
I knew that from like some drama.
Okay, very nice. Is there anybody who would like to share something? Until now, we learned so many stories. What do you all feel when you are hearing Sikshastakam text, each and every text?
Mataji Bala Vrinda.
What do you want to say, Vrinda?
I want to say that your class was very nice and the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu story was very nice because I was starting from my iPad, that's why I could hear you.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Vrinda. Okay, let's open that. Everybody can, one person at a time can read.
I want to
One.
read.
That was good.
I want to read.
Yeah, maybe.
I want to read.
Wait.
I want to read.
Wait, okay. Yeah, one translation, one person can read. Yeah, Samskriti, go ahead and read the first translation for me.
Glory to Sri Krishna Sankirtana, which cleanses the heart of all the dust accumulated of years and extinguished the fire of conditional life of repeated birth and death. This Sankirtana movement is the prime benediction for humanity at large because it spreads the rays of the benediction moon. It is the life of all transcendental knowledge. It increases the ocean of transcendental bliss, and it enables us to fully taste the nectar for which we are always anxious.
Very bold. Thank you, Samskriti. Tulsi can read the second one.
Oh my Lord, your holy name alone can render all benediction to living beings. And thus you have hundreds of millions of names like Krishna and Govinda. In these transcendental names, you have invested all of your transcendental energies. There are not even any hard and fast rules for chanting these names. Oh my Lord, out of kindness, you enable us to easily approach you by your holy names. But I am so unfortunate that I have no attraction for them. Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, Tulsi, can you explain me what did you understand from this translation?
that Krishna is available to anyone in form.
Mm-hmm. Yes, and also there is
But
some.
we have no
Holy name is
attraction.
very-
Yes, and he has many names, right?
The holy name alone can render all benedictions to living beings. That means it's very strong.
Yes. Moving to the third text. Okay. Shreya can read.
Yes, Mataji. One should chant the holy name of the Lord in a humble state of mind, thinking oneself lower than the straw in the street. One should be more tolerant than a tree, devoid of all senses of false prestige, and should be ready to offer all respect to others. In such a state of mind, one can chant the holy name of the Lord constantly.
Thank you, Shreya. What did you understand in that?
That we should chant the Lord's name in a calm state of mind, and we should be tolerant and be ready to respect others. And only if we have that mindset can we chant the name of the Lord constantly.
Yes. Thank you. The next one. I didn't ask you. Rishikesh, you can read the fourth one. Rishikesh.
O Almighty Lord, I have no desire to accumulate wealth, nor do I desire beautiful women, nor do I want any number of followers. I only want your causeless devotional service, birth after birth.
Yes. What did you understand in this, Rishikesh? Can you say me?
We call the Lord, and then we don't desire to have wealth, or we don't desire to have a beautiful woman or some followers.
Yes, we don't want any followers, name, fame, nothing. We just wanted to serve Krishna again and again, birth after birth. Yes, Rishikesh. Thank you so much. Next, who didn't get a chance? For them, I would like to give Mukund. Go ahead, Mukund.
Yes, Mataji. O son of Maharaj Nanda, Krishna, I am your eternal servitor, yet somehow or other I have fallen into the ocean of birth and death. Please pick me from this ocean of death and place me as one of the atoms at your lotus feet.
So, what did you understand?
I understood that Lord Chaitanya is giving an example of what a devotee should think, that a devotee should think that he is the eternal servitor. He uh, he should, he is the servant of Krishna, and he has fallen into the material world, and then he has to pray to Krishna that he needs to get out of the material world.
Thank you, Mukund. Actually, yesterday, Mataji has shared one of the Back to Godhead link. Okay, we will read this one for some time.
Is it,
Because we have
do we have any activity today?
No, because we are doing this special thing, this Ashtaka prayers. So we are not having any special activity. So
I
we
thought there was cooking.
Yeah.
do you all read already this one?
Yes, Mataji.
We're
Yes,
starting.
Mataji, I read the
We
whole
didn't
thing.
finish it.
You already finished in the class?
Mataji,
No.
Not in the class, Mataji, but I read it at home.
Okay, but we will read now in the class because until 7:15 we have the time, right?
Mataji, I thought there was cooking class today.
No information about that for me. So we should not waste our time. We can read something, okay? Instead of talking, we can read. Okay, anybody can start.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, is there cooking today?
Because there was
Yes,
puri,
Mataji.
right?
Oh, I didn't see Mataji. That's what I was wondering. What activity is there today?
Yeah, there's cooking.
Mataji, take over,
Here's
Mataji.
Puri.
Okay,
Puri,
Mataji.
Puri.
Mataji, I don't see your video.
Is Radharani Devi Dasi. That's the name.
Yeah.
Yeah, Radharani Mataji. See, I forget always her name. Radharani Mataji, please take over, Mataji.
Yeah. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, everybody.
Hare Krishna, Radharani Mataji.
Hare Krishna, how are you?
Hare Krishna.
So, shall we do?
Mataji, what are we making?
Puri.
Yeah, just puri dough.
Okay.
Puri.
Okay. For that, I'll just show you like 4 types of how we can make the dough. Okay.
Is it chapati dough?
Yes.
Mataji, is it like chapati dough or puri dough, like the small one or the big chapati dough?
We'll use same like chapati dough, but not that soft. Little harder it will be.
Oh, okay. This.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes, Mataji.
Hear you, Mataji. It's
We'll
clear.
start. Yeah, we'll start.
Okay.
yes. Mataji,
Mataji, ingredients are posted in the group, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, I'll post in the chat. Okay.
So we'll do like, we need like atta dough, which is like wheat flour, which we use for the chapati. We use the same thing here also. Okay. Okay, I'll share the ingredients. The ingredients we need are like wheat flour. We just need like, we are making like 4 types, right? So I just want to show like what the difference between 4 types. So first we take half cup of the ingredients are like for first thing we just need a wheat flour, and for the second type we need like wheat flour and some maida. For everything we need salt and water and oil. Okay, we'll just do the first type, otherwise we can do like all four at a time. Okay, I'm just taking half cup of wheat flour in each bowl. Okay, I'm just taking half cup. I just mentioned in the ingredients for 2 cups, so we'll just use half cup in each type. I'm just taking half cup. Okay, you can all see, right, my screen?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, and for the first one, we'll just use only with the atta flour. We'll just add little salt. Just add little salt in all, just like half teaspoon. Okay, I'm just using, add in everything. Okay, just little add in everything, and we'll add some. Okay, we'll do second type. I'm just taking half cup of all-purpose flour. See, all-purpose flour will be like this, so soft, which is also called maida. Okay, I'm just taking half cup of this. Half cup of this we can add in one bowl. Okay, only in one bowl. And in one, so the first one we are just using the plain atta. The second type I just added wheat flour half cup and wheat flour all-purpose flour. And in one type I'm just adding some suji. Suji will be in this way. Okay, just add 2 tablespoons of suji. I just added one.
Mataji, is sushi optional because I don't have sushi, Mataji?
Okay, okay. Yeah, if you don't have, this is optional. You can leave just like that.
Okay, Mataji.
I'm sorry, actually, the fourth one we are just using only with maida, not with atta flour. This is also called like batura. I'm just taking half cup of only maida. See, I just remove the atta flour. This is the maida. And add little bit ajwain, the one which we add maida. All-purpose flour.
Mataji, what do you add in that?
This is called ajwain seeds. You can ask your parents. It will look in this way. Why? Because these are the items which we fry in the oil, right? The puris are fried in the oil. So this is nice for the digestion and we won't get stomach pain like that. So that's the reason some will be adding. This is also an optional, okay?
Okay.
So till here, everybody are okay, right?
Yes, Mataji.
In this, I did not add salt. I'm just adding, okay? The one which I took the all-purpose flour. And now let's take oil.
Mataji, how much salt?
Just half teaspoon is enough.
Okay, Mataji.
Mataji, can you like repeat like all the floors and all those you have
Okay.
in the bowls?
In the first bowl, I just took only the wheat flour and some salt. Salt, I'll just let you know later. In first bowl, I just took the wheat flour. In the second bowl, I just took half cup of wheat flour and half cup of all-purpose flour. And in the third bowl, I just took half cup of wheat flour and 2 tablespoons of suji. And in the fourth time, I just took only all-purpose flour and some ajwain seeds.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay. Now let's take oil, add in all the bowls, 1 tablespoon.
Mataji, what did you add?
Water,
Again?
Mataji.
Oil, I'm adding oil.
Mataji, did we add water?
Now we'll add the water.
Okay, Mataji.
Mataji, what was in the third bowl again?
This one
All
you're asking?
flour?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Third one is like wheat flour and suji.
Suji.
Yeah. So I'll just mix like this. See that everything is mixed properly. If you want, you can use your hands also. However, we have to use our hands while mixing with the water.
Mataji, is it okay if I just make just one of them?
Yeah, one of them is fine. I just want to show the types, different types will be there. So if anybody want to do only one is also fine. So now let's take water. And it should be not so soft. So add very little water. And now with your hand, you can mix it. So this is the one. Only with wheat flour. Just try to use your all fingers and just if anything is there in the bowl, just try to mix with this dough. So it will come in this way. See.
Mataji?
Yes.
In the fourth bowl, with the ajwain seeds and the salt, which
all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour. Yeah. Okay. Now this is the one which I added all-purpose flour and wheat flour. I'm just adding little water. Try to add little water. It should be not so soft like chapati dough. It can be little harder. Are you all able to follow, right? The time is 8:05. So in this way, we have to mix all of them with the water. You want add little, like few drops you just add, okay?
Do we mix all the bowls, like most of the bowls together?
Not together, each thing separately. So these are like different types of variations of the puris. You can make any of them. I just want to show how it will be. Usually we'll just make with the atta only, regular atta. That will be like only, it will be like, it will puff, but it will not stay for long time. When you add like suji and everything in the restaurant, it will be for long time. When they bring from inside also, it will be big and fluffy, right? So if we add like suji, maida, so in that way, we'll get those type of puris. We can make big puris. So I'm just showing different variations. You can just do one of that. Or if you are interested, you can do all of them. And then at last you can add some oil. And mix it, everything, whatever is there in the bowl. Okay. In the same way, try to mix all the bowls or whatever you have. You can do that later also. So I just mixed it.
Making good boy, Rudra.
Yes, Rudra, you're doing?
Thanks, Mataji.
You're welcome. See, I just mixed everything before. So this is the one with only atta. So we have to, once after mixing this, we have to rest for minimum 20 to 30 minutes so that the puris will be coming nicely. Okay.
I just put water on myself. Nana, is it fine if I just put
Yeah, just water is also fine. And then now I'll show you how to make the puris. Okay.
Ramachandra, Mukund, Rishikesh, you are all raised hand before or now?
That's for before.
Okay, before. I will lower all the hands. Okay.
So now the dough which you have made, this I have made before. So I'm just showing you how to roll those for the puris. Okay. Just take little the one and try to do in this way. See, okay. Sorry, we have less time. I'm showing you fast first, or you are able to follow, right?
Yes, Mataji, please
Yeah,
continue.
yeah. Sorry, I did not bring my knife, so I'm just cutting. So with this, we have to cut in this way, equal. So we'll get like nice shaped small balls, small pieces you can cut. So that we'll get equal shape, and we can roll them nicely, small puris if you want to make. Just try to roll between your palms. Okay, we'll get in this way, small, we can roll them. So the one which we added like all-purpose flour and suji, right? That puris we can make little bigger so that they'll fluff so much big. This we can make small, which I used only with atta. So now take each ball and dip little bit in the oil and try to press like this. And now you can use your rolling pin and try to roll it. Anybody are doing till here?
Mataji, Rudra, Keshavi is doing.
Okay.
Okay, Keshavi after camera, I guess, but Rudra and Keshavi is doing.
Okay. So now just take your rolling pin, just do a little bit and try to rotate it so that you'll get nice shape. If you want small puris, you can make in this way. You can help your mom. So later you can do big puris. First, if you want to help your mom, you can try rolling in this way, small puris. Okay.
Yeah, Keshavi is doing good job.
Good job.
Yeah, very nice.
Vrunda also will do now.
Yeah, after the class, we already made the puris. My mom made puris in the morning.
Oh, advance you made puri?
In the
I think so your mom don't know, right? Yeah.
In the group at all.
Yes,
Then
yeah.
I would go-
But I will make. My mom makes. Now I will make.
Yeah, now you make, okay? So this is the one which we made only with all-purpose flour. This will also be nice, but like we'll get like, this is little brownish color, right? So this will be like white color. These also, everything like no need to add any flour. Why? Because we'll be frying in the oil, right? So just add little oil.
Mataji, can you send the instructions in the group, Mataji?
Yeah,
in
sure, Mataji. I'll send all the types what.
flour mixing.
Yeah. So these puris we have to make immediately. These the one which we made with atta, right? So we can make all puris and we can fry at a time or something like that. But these puris, once after rolling, immediately if we do, it will be nice, fluffy. Okay. So this is the one which I added ajwain, and this is only with all-purpose flour. We can make this big puris. Okay. This will be more stretchable and it will fluff also nicely.
So it has only ajwain and all-purpose flour, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
This one and the one which we added suji, they'll fluff and they'll stay for long time, Mataji.
Okay, in the suji one, what all you put, Mataji?
Suji and all little bit the wheat flour and 1 spoon of just all-purpose flour.
Oh, suji is more in that.
Yeah, 2 tablespoons more. 2
Oh.
tablespoons suji and we can add 1 cup wheat flour, Mataji.
Oh, okay, got it, Mataji. You please send the instructions.
Yeah,
in
I'll send all, Mataji. Good job, Rudra and Keshavi. Nice, very nice. Later, when you are frying, you can take help of your mom. Okay? Or you can see when your mom is doing, you can just say, okay. See, this will come so big. How much you do, it will stretch nicely. Their parents will help, I think so, but I'll send the video also how we'll do the puris, okay? So this is the one with all-purpose flour. This will come like this. If you take big ball, we can get more bigger also. It will not break or anything. We can fry. So this is the one which I added suji. This will come so big. This is like restaurant type puris. They'll bring like batura, they'll bring, right, Mataji? This is that one.
Oh, very nice,
Yeah.
Mata. I will try all four.
I think so. Yeah, it's 8:16, Mataji. We can, if everybody are okay, we can end the call.
We will end. It's just rolling. Same.
Yeah, just rolling. Yeah, till here. Then after this, you can fry. Take your parents' help and fry. Your mom, I think so. Rudra's mom is already there. Keshavi, you can take help of your mom. Okay. Thank you, Mataji, for helping Rudra.
Thank you, Keshavi.
Thank you, Mataji.
For making it in
Thank
the
you.
class.
You can post in the group. Okay. Thank you, Keshavi. Bye. Nice rolling. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Rudra,
Hare Krishna,
Vrinda is ready.
Mataji.
Always
Hare
ready.
Krishna. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everyone. Vancha
Katitan Pavanenyo Vaishnavenyo
Vishnu ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki
Jai.
Hari ki jai. Thank you, Mata.
Okay. Thank you, Mataji. Hare
Bye.
Krishna. Bye.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.